Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the FastRide fork-mounted bicycle carrier from Thule. The FastRide offers quick and convenient mounting for both standard quick-release bikes and through-axle bikes with an adapter sold separately. The FastRide comes with two sets of mounting hardware, T-slot hardware to install the FastRide on crossbars like Thule's Wing Bar Evo, and around-the-bar hardware for crossbars without a T-slot. The FastRide can be locked to your crossbars with Thule lock cores sold separately. For this rack, a 2-pack would be needed. The rear wheel tray is adjustable in order to fit a wide variety of wheelbases. And finally, a lockable cable is integrated into the end cap of the FastRide to lock your bike to the rack. Just insert a lock core. Minor assembly of the FastRide is required. Simply attach the head of the rack to the tray and tighten the 2 bolts on the bottom with the supplied Allen wrench. Since our vehicle is outfitted with Thule's Wing Bar Evo, we will be using the T-slot hardware to install the FastRide. Refer to your instructions to install the FastRide with the around-the-bar hardware. Installing the FastRide with the T-slot hardware is simple. Just flip the rack over and screw the T-bolts into the levers, both front and rear. Slide the FastRide into the T-slot in your crossbars. Then open and tighten the levers. Close them up to secure the rack to the crossbar. And repeat the same process for the rear lever as well. Give the rack a shake to make sure it has been securely installed on your crossbars. The FastRide comes set up to install on the passenger side of your vehicle. However, you are able to swap the orientation of the QR skewer in the rear crossbar mount to use it on the driver's side. Refer to your instructions for more detail on how to swap over these components. If you purchased a 2-pack of Thule locks separately to lock up this rack, insert one of the lock cores into the front lever. When this lever is locked, you're not able to open it to release the pressure locking the rack to your crossbars. Insert your second lock core into the integrated lockable cable. We'll cover this cable in more detail in a moment. When you're ready to load a bike, start first by releasing the wheel strap and tucking it out of the way. That way it doesn't snag on your wheel while loading. With that out of the way, unscrew the quick release skewer using the lever on the side to get it ready to accept the forks of your bike. Lift your bike up on top of your vehicle, placing the forks of the bike into the QR skewer. While holding the bike with one hand, tighten the skewer until it has a firm grip on the forks of the bike. For through-axle bikes, you can purchase a through-axle adapter separately, or I'd recommend looking into the Thule TopRide, which is another great option for through-axle bikes. With the front secure, slide the adjustable wheel tray into place centered under the wheel, and route the strap through the spokes and into the buckle. Pull it tight to secure it. Last but not least, lock up your bike with the integrated lockable cable if you purchase Thule locks separately. Route the cable through the frame of your bike and back into the housing. Turn the key to the lock position to lock the cable, locking your bike to the FastRide. Thank you for checking out our video on the Thule FastRide. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.